You have a folder called Read Later. It has about 347 items in it. Pretty sure the oldest one is from about 3 or 4 years ago, and you haven't opened it since that first one. The tool doesn't matter. It's a browser bookmark folder, a pocket, a Notion page, or a Bind tab that has been open for 9 months straight. Everyone has one. Nobody reads it later. The problem isn't saving. Saving is easy. The problem is retrieval. Information you can't retrieve when you need it, that's not knowledge. It's called digital hoarding, with some extra steps. The keeper is designed around retrieval, not collection. 3 things make it different from a save later folder. First, it detects what you save. Paste a YouTube link, it pulls title and tags it as a video. Paste a tweet, it reads it and tags it as a tweet. An article, a TikTok video, an Instagram post, an event URL. The source type, it's detected automatically, so you're not organizing manually, which you would never do anyway. Second, groups. If you're doing deep research on a topic, you can group related captures together. It's not a category system. Groups are manual, intentional, and temporary. You create a group when you need it, not because the app asks you to organize everything. Third, and this is the one that changes everything, the brief, available for paid accounts. Once per day. The brief, it's an AI analysis of everything that's in your Keeper inbox, which you run against your current project's interests and the context that you yourself provide. It'll read everything and asks, does any of this actually matters to what we're interested in, what we're working on, and will surface the ones that actually matters and related to what you're interested in and you're working on, and gives you a report, a detailed report with priorities, not just here's everything you've saved. No, it's smart. It studies what you're interested in, what you're working on, and what matches to it. It's your Jarvis, your Iron Man. The keeper without the brief can be a well-organized save for later box, but the keeper with the brief, it's an active intelligence layer on your information diet. That's the distinction that makes it worth using. The full design, the information retrieval architecture, and why ADHD brains specifically struggle with passive archives is in the Zalfol method article for the keeper, linked in description.